Bona, Nitya, I welcome you all. Nitish is my son. So I welcome Nitish. So dear friends, a request from my side, from the host side, maintain silence, come to a quiet place without any disturbances. So please don't speak till I speak. Listen to the tutor, listen to the instructions keenly, speak only when I inform you. Okay, hope you have come to a quiet place. Yesterday's topic. These are the 4 topics we discussed. Expressions to prefer, 4 ruling words, positive statements, and negative statements. First agenda and second agenda were discussed yesterday. Today we are going to cover the third, positive statements, and fourth one, negative statements. Yesterday's agenda, expressions to prefer, and 4 ruling words. So today's agenda, this 2, last one, and last but one. Agenda 1, expressions to prefer. Prefer has different meanings. Like prefer is like, prefer means to bring, prefer means to give priority. See, let's see an example here. I prefer coffee. I prefer cricket. I prefer motu patlu. I prefer apple juice. I prefer mobile phone. Let's go back. Prefer means like. Now come to the examples. I prefer coffee. I prefer cricket. I prefer motu patlu. I prefer apple juice. I prefer mobile phone. Let's see a few more examples here. I prefer coffee than hot water. We have 2 nouns, coffee and hot water. When we have 2 nouns which are highlighted in pink color, we should not use than. Using than is incorrect. Then what to use instead of than? Yes, it is incorrect. We are aware. We need to use to. This is the correct usage when we use prefer. When you have options, coffee and hot water, use to. So we had examples yesterday and revisions. Can you find the answer? I prefer cricket to football. I prefer motu patlu to Dora. I prefer apple juice to lemon juice. I prefer mobile phone to laptop. I prefer sleeping to reading. The second agenda, ruling words, 4 ruling words. Wanna, gonna, give me, and don't know. Wanna means want to. Gonna means going to. Give me means give me. And fourth one, don't know, means don't know. So do you remember? We shall recall now. Wanna, want to, gonna, going to, give me, and don't know, don't know. Now we shall see examples for wanna. Wanna means want to. So we shall remember this rule and fill in the blanks with the 3 questions given shown here. I wanna go home now. I wanna listen to music. I wanna help my mother. We shall check the answers. I wanna go home. I wanna listen to music. I wanna help my mother. Yes, we have done a good job. So we have recalled up to the first agenda and second agenda, first example. Now I have provided you the option to unmute yourself when I raise questions to you. The second ruling word in spoken English is gonna. Gonna, going to. So we remember this rule now. We shall read the questions following and fill in the blank with the right answer. Wherever you find blank, use gonna. I'm gonna get a new phone. It means I'm going to get a new phone. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. I'm gonna the park with my friends. Shall check the answers. Is unmute your phone and read, please. I'm gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. I'm gonna the park with my friends. Well done. Okay, now I have unmuted everyone. And it is needed. You can speak here. Participants are joined one by one. Till then, we shall recollect yesterday's session. The third one, give me. Give me means give me. Now remember this rule and we shall read the questions following. Fill in the blank with the right answer. Number 1, dear mom, please. There is a blank. See here. Fill in with the blank. Dear mom, please. Can you fill up the blank?
Give me a cup of coffee.
Give me a cup of coffee.
Please give
Please give me a cup of coffee. Fill in the blank with give me. As you all give me the answer. Read the sentence with the answer.
Dear mom, please give me a cup of coffee.
Super. Good job, baby. Second question.
Give me a phone. I shall check the battery level.
Excellent. Third one.
Hi, Dad. You never give me a laptop.
Wow. Fantabulous. Now we shall check your answers. Wow. Your answer is correct. For all the three questions, your answer is correct. Congratulations. Now fourth one. Don't know. Don't know? Don't know. Here T remains silent. K remains silent. W remains silent. These three letters remain silent. For the fourth ruling word, don't know. So now we remember the fourth rule. We shall get the answers and read very carefully. We shall fill in the blanks with the right answer. Don't know. Are you ready, friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Question number 1. Can you answer me?
I don't know. Who switched off the TV?
Good.
I
Very
don't
good.
know who switched off the TV.
Second.
I'm gonna.
We don't know to wash
Do not
clothes.
wash clothes.
Very good, baby. Third.
I
don't
don't
know
know
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know the password of my father's phone.
Wonderful, baby. Super, babies. My friends are always brilliant. Lauren, you did a good job. Ritika did a good job.
Thank you, friend.
Thank you so much. We shall check the answers now. Yeah, great. Your answer is right. I don't know who switched off the TV. Second question is also correct. We don't know to wash clothes. Third one, I don't know the password for my father's phone. Welcome to all the participants, all the new participants. This is my sincere appreciation to all the students. Now clap. You have done a good job. Clap. Good. Now we enter into the session 2 of today, the agenda which covers the third agenda and fourth agenda, positive statements and negative statements.
Negative statement.
Okay, we enter into day 2, daily common expressions. I hope you enjoyed the days of first one. You remember the first 2 agenda.
Yeah.
Again, remain silent, listen, speak only when I inform you. Okay? Okay, friends? Okay. Okay, good. Now we move to the session. We stay home. We stay safe. We all enjoy the holidays and vacation while learning continuously. Okay. Revise. We shall recall. Come to positive statements. Positive, we know. We express our feelings positively. Statements. Statements. Statement means what? Statement means sentence. What means sentence? Can you know? What means sentence?
Statement means sentence.
Good. Good job. Statement means sentence. Very good. I hope you remember now statement means sentence. I'm going to introduce the statement as sentence. When you read the word sentence, it indicates statement. Yes, negative statement. Say the definition. Negative statement has the definition as a sentence which conveys an information with a negative word in it. Negative word. See not, never, neither nor, either are. These are the negative words these are called negative statements. For example, the positive words are listed here: do, is, are, have, will, should, have, need, must, can. Negative words for the listed words are don't, isn't, aren't, or ain't, have, haven't, will, won't, should not or shouldn't, mayn't, need not, must not. We can use needn't or mustn't, can't, I can't, etc. It doesn't end here. So all these verbs are called helping verbs for main verb. Main verb is an action word. The helping verbs support the main verbs. Any doubts, friends? Shall we move?
Yeah.
Shall we go to the main topic?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Now we see few more examples. I can ride. It expresses positive statement. I can't write. This is negative statement. See, there is a negative expression can't. Not is there. So this is negative word. I can't write. Friends, please don't touch your monitor. Okay. Now we construct the sentence from simple to somewhat lengthy. I can't write now. I have added extra one word. I can't write now. I can't write now as I'm busy, as I'm listening to the webinar. Okay, friends, we shall see the next example. He will win. Positive. The will is not the main verb. This is helping verb. Win is the main verb, action, word. Negative word for will, won't. He won't win. This statement is negative. I'm going to lengthen the statement with additional part at the end here. He won't win. What he won't win? He won't win the first prize. Again, this statement is called negative. He won't win the first prize easily. We all know that winning the first prize is never easy. It requires concentration, planning, preparation, and some road maps to follow. Then only we can reach our target without any hurdles. So without planning, without preparation, even we cannot get first rank. I hope you agree. Next example, they may complete. There is no negative word, not here. So the statement is positive. They may not complete. Negative. Why? There is a negative word, not is given. Now I lengthen the statement. They may not complete what? They may not complete homework. I'm adding additional information. They may not complete homework without help. For example, KG students, they can't complete homework without the help of mother or father. Just a minute to go through. Participants. I have muted you since there is an echo. We shall go to the next example. I go to theater. Positive statement. There is no negative word. Not is the negative word. I don't go to the theater. Since it is the main verb, it demands some helping verb. I don't go to theater. It is negative. I don't go to theater. I have added another word today. Again, it is negative because there is the negative word not appears. I don't go to theater today with my friends. It means something. I don't go to theater today with my friends. I go to theater with my parents. It gives another meaning when I add additional information. Next example, we need to go. Positive. We need to go to the repetitive examination is given. Shall move to the next. My friend helps me. See there, my friend helps me. The yes is added with the main verb help. So we get the help from do verb doesn't. So the yes is added to do action verb. My friend doesn't. Helps become doesn't help. I hope you understand. My friend doesn't help me. My friend doesn't help me this time. Not ever. This time only not able to help. Since all these three statements, two statements have not, they are called negative statements. Now you tell me the answers. I'm going to unmute you all.
I'm not able to understand that.
See here. What
I have
can't
a
you
doubt.
understand?
I have a doubt.
What doubt? You are going to tell me positive or negative. When you check not, it is a negative statement. When there is
How to find the
not appears, please wait. It is a positive statement. Unless you raise your question.
how to find that it's positive or negative?
Yeah, when there is no negative word, I hope you did miss the session during the class. I told when you get negative words, it is negative statement. When there is no negative word, it is positive statement. Okay. I want to become a doctor. There is no negative word not. I hope you understand there is no negative word here.
I wanna become a
I
doctor.
want to become a doctor.
Yes, I
Is
understood.
this a positive statement or negative statement?
Positive.
Positive. Why? There is no negative word here. Not is not
Become
there.
a,
Okay.
I wanna become a doctor.
Now read. I don't want to become a doctor. Is this a positive statement or negative statement, friends?
Negative.
Good. Why? There is a negative word which is given. Good job.
Because there is don't want.
Yes. I know to play.
Your voice is breaking right now.
Positive or negative? Check your
I
list,
know
please.
to play.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Good.
Very good.
Good job. I don't
Excuse
know
me, your
to play.
voice is breaking.
Positive or negative?
I don't know to play.
Positive or negative, friends?
I don't
Negative.
know to play.
Don't know. Negative. Very good. Good job. We shall check the answer now. Negative. Yes.
Negative statements.
Great. Now read this.
Students, please get up and sit.
We're gonna blast the
Wow, great. We are gonna
Yeah,
blast
gonna.
thunder.
Black thunder.
Especially during this
That
lockdown, we are going to Black Thunder.
thunder.
Imagine. Will you enjoy
Yeah.
Black Thunder, friends? Imagine. Will you enjoy Black Thunder, friends? Will you enjoy in Black Thunder?
This is breaking right now.
Is this positive or negative?
Positive.
Good job.
Positive.
We shall check
Your
the
voice is breaking.
positive statement is the correct answer. Now find answer for the second next question. We ain't gonna touch. Construct the statement. We ain't gonna Black Thunder. Is this positive or negative? Quickly.
Negative.
Negative. Good job. This one, my sister plays video game in tab. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Good.
Positive.
Correct answer. My sister doesn't play video game in tab. Is this positive or negative?
Negative. Statement.
Good. Correct answer. I know Bharatanatyam. Positive or negative?
Positive. Positive.
Right. Correct answer. I don't know Bharatanatyam.
Negative.
Great.
Negative.
Please give me your smartwatch. Positive or negative?
Positive. I like this watch very much.
Super. Positive is the correct answer. Do you like the watch, friends?
Yeah. Very much.
Yes.
Please don't give me your smartwatch. Is this positive or negative?
Negative.
Super. Negative statement.
Negative.
Good job. I wanna buy skating shoes. Positive or negative?
Positive.
I want to buy.
I
Positive.
wanna buy skating shoes. Positive statement is the correct answer. I don't wanna buy skating shoes.
Negative statement.
Very good.
Negative.
Negative statement. Good job. I'm gonna become a pilot. Positive statement.
I
Negative statement.
I gonna become
Good.
positive.
Good. Right answer. I'm gonna become a pilot. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Good.
Negative.
Great job, little friends. Great job. You have ended the session successfully. You have given correct answers for most of the questions. I hope some of you joined late, so only handouts. No problem. I shall share the video to you through YouTube link. You shall enjoy learning, keep learning. Don't forget. Okay, thank you so much. Well done. Awesome job. You all did make a great performance today. Responded well. All of the awards go to you.
Excuse me, your voice is breaking over here.
Dear friends, please check your network connection. The session is ended. Did you enjoy
Thank you,
the
teacher.
session today?
Yes,
you,
it
friend.
was awesome.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for your feedback. Sounds good to get positive feedback from you. Thanks for listening. Thank you all.
When we'll have our next class?
When shall we have? When shall we have? By tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Yeah.
Shall we discuss on
tomorrow.
dictionary usage?
Okay.
Sure. Okay. So as per your
We all are having dictionary, but don't know how to use a dictionary.
we shall learn tomorrow
Okay.
how to use dictionary. Okay, friends?
Okay.
So I shall
Okay.
share meeting password and username.
Speak aloud, Ashwath.
Share with your
Ashwath.
friends. Share with your friends. Let them all join. We shall learn how to use the dictionary. Great to know the
Okay,
positive feedback from participants. Bye bye, little friends.
Bye.
Bye, friend.
Stay
Bye.
safe. Stay home. Be happy. Always be happy. Thanks for listening.
Thank
I
you.
will share my video through Global English Grammar YouTube channel, and you can follow. You can join in Telegram. Join in Telegram channel. See Priya's webinar. Anyone can join in Telegram to get updations about the webinars in future. Thank you all.
Thank you. Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
friend. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Ma, leave one kudukuda.
Leave. Leave கொடுக்கணும்.
Okay.
Okay.